NTH derivative made easy vertical bar full step-by-step guide. Struggling with NTH derivatives? What if you could solve them in seconds using patterns? In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to find the NTH derivative step by step. No confusion, no stress. Let's start with the function f(x) equals ln x plus 3 caret 2x plus e caret 2x. Our goal is to find the NTH derivative, written as f(x). At first, this might look complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it into simple parts. Here's the key idea: we differentiate each term separately. Why? Because derivatives follow the rule. The derivative of a sum is the sum of derivatives. So we'll handle 1 ln x, 2 3 caret 2x, 3 e caret 2x. Then combine everything at the end. Let's find the first derivative. For ln x, the derivative is simple, 1x. For 3 caret 2x, we use this rule: derivative of a caret u equals a caret u times ln times u. Here, u equals 2x, so u equals minus 2. So we get 2 ln 3 times 3 caret 2x. For e caret 2x, derivative is 2 e caret 2x. So the first derivative becomes f(x) equals 1 x2 ln 3 caret 2x plus 2 e caret 2x. Now let's go to the second derivative. Differentiate again. For 1 x1 x. For the exponential term, each time we differentiate, we multiply again by 2 ln 3. So we get 2 ln 3 caret 2x. For e caret 2x, each derivative multiplies by 2 again to e caret 2x. So f(x) equals 1 x plus 2 ln 3 caret 2x plus 2 e caret 2x. Let's do one more to see the pattern clearly. For ln x, derivative becomes 2x. For 3 caret 2x, 2 ln 3 caret 2x. For e caret 2x, 2 e caret 2x. So f(x) equals 2x plus 2 ln 3 caret 2x plus 2 e caret 2x. Now the important part, spotting the pattern. Look closely. For ln x1, x1, x2, x. This follows a factorial pattern, 1 caret n1, n1, x. For 3 caret 2x, each derivative multiplies by 2 ln 3. So after n times 2 ln 3 caret 2x. For e caret 2x, each derivative multiplies by 2. So after n times 2 e caret 2x. Now we combine everything. f(x) equals 1 caret n1 x asterisk 2 ln 3 caret 2x asterisk 2 e caret 2x. And that's your final answer. Now you know how to find NTH derivatives using patterns. If this helped you,